The situation surrounding Fable 5 has changed dramatically over the past few days. Several new developments suggest that Anthropic may be preparing to bring the model back sooner than expected. These include leaked production code, new activity on Amazon Bedrock, political developments in Washington, and signs that the company's relationship with the U.S. government has improved. The biggest clue came from a leaked build of Claude code. According to a post on X, someone inspected the latest production files and found references to Fable 5. One of the most interesting discoveries was a change in the subscription wording. Earlier versions suggested that users would need to purchase Fable 5 separately, but the new text indicates that a certain amount of weekly Fable 5 usage could be included with existing Claude subscriptions. If this information is accurate, subscribers would receive a weekly usage allowance without paying an additional fee. Only users who exceed that limit would need to spend usage credits. This would make the service much more accessible than originally expected. The report gained more attention after Decrypt independently examined the application files and confirmed that these new Fable 5 strings were present. While companies often prepare interface text before launching new features, changing pricing-related messages in a production build usually suggests that active development is moving toward release. Another important signal comes from Amazon Bedrock. Reports claim that references to Fable 5 have quietly returned to Bedrock documentation and model listings. Although Anthropic's public status page still shows the model as suspended, enterprise infrastructure is generally updated only when back-end systems are getting ready for deployment. At the same time, members of the U.S. Congress have requested that the Commerce Department explain the conditions required to lift the restrictions on Fable 5 and provide a timeline for its decision. That deadline has increased pressure on government officials to clarify the model's future. The political landscape also appears to have shifted. Recent reports suggest that discussions between Anthropic and the U.S. administration have become more cooperative, with both sides focusing on security standards and continuous monitoring instead of outright restrictions. There are also claims that Anthropic has already completed training a more advanced successor to Fable 5. If true, this would show that development continued behind the scenes even while the current model remained unavailable. Overall, the combination of leaked production code, Amazon Bedrock activity, government attention, and improving political relations points toward the possibility that Fable 5 could return in the near future. However, until Anthropic makes an official announcement, these reports should be viewed as informed speculation rather than confirmed fact.